How to edit, delete, remove, and change your audio on your YouTube videos using INSHOT app. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose Gomera, helping you to grow your audience with online video. So, if you are new here, consider subscribing. Bago ang lahat, shout out muna kay Butchoy Vlog at kay Emo Padilla. Alright, hindi natin patagalin pa. Simulan na natin ang ating tutorial. So, first thing first, mag-import na video. And then, create new. So, choose file. For example, this one. And then, tap check. So, if you are going to upload your videos on YouTube, huwag kalimutan ang canvas. And then, choose YouTube. And then, tap check. And then, itap mo lang yung video and then punta tayo sa volume. Dito sa volume, you can adjust the volume or the audio ng video na ito. Tapos, pwede siyang maximize kung gusto mo ng super lakas or sa neutral lang niya. Okay? Balik natin sa original 100%. And you can extract the audio. So, dito naman, makikita mo yung parang timeline ng audio. So, ito yung mga indicator kung saan ka banda nagsasalita. Okay, so pwede mo siyang i-cut. I-tap mo lang ito and then tap split. Then, tap the audio na gusto mong i-delete sa sa video mo. Tap delete and then you can add effects. This one, for example, transition. Use, or you can record your own audio, or you can add tracks. Tap mo lang ito and make sure na yung mga music na ina-add mo sa yung video is hindi siya copyrighted. For example, this one, tap download, and to avoid copyright issues, i-copy mo lang itong kaninang music tsaka sino yung musician. Copy mo lang siya tapos i-paste mo sa yung description. So, once downloaded na siya, tap use. Okay, tap use. As you can see, andito na siya sa ating timeline. Yung track natin. So, edit natin yung volume para hindi siya mag-overlap sa pinaka-main audio niya. So, adjust mo lang siya. Depende sa'yo. Tap OK. And then, i-edit natin to or i-cut natin to extra. Split, tapos delete. Okay. So, ayun na siya guys. You're done changing, adding, or deleting your audio on your video. So, if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and share this video to your friends. Okay? I will see you in my next video.